Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Today we are off to Tsing Yi Island and to a car park to the north of the island that has recently installed 6 new EV chargers. This public car park has over 30 car park spaces, and so far 6 of these spaces have EV chargers. I have arrived at the car park and can see that the 6 EV chargers to my right all have cars parked there. But they don't all seem to be EVs. There is only one more space available in this car park at this time on Sunday afternoon, so I have to go and park there. This is my space, car park space number 21.
Why can't I see that? These are all iced.
The 6 EV chargers here are numbered from 33 to 38. I have noticed this characteristic of numbering EV chargers in public car parks, and obviously there is a reason for this numbering method. I will talk more about this in future videos, so please make sure to subscribe to this channel to discover more about the progress of e-mobility in Hong Kong.
So the problem with Tsing Yi Northeast is that they have the EV chargers, but they are mostly iced. As far as I can see, out of the 6, 5 of them are iced. I mean, they're all ready to charge. But as you can see, all these chargers, but these cars have obviously, so there's a Model Y that is charging, but all the rest have been iced. Now the Model Y is charging at 5.5 kilowatts. Been charging for 20 minutes. But all these others, they've all taken up my charging space because they're all ready. These are all ready to go. Good. I'll ask if he's leaving, and then I'll take his place. Are you leaving?
Yes.
Are you leaving? Because I need to charge, yeah? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So I just asked whether they're leaving. So, and then I'll charge here. Okay, so we just wait for him to leave. So I think I'll park next to... How close am I? It's quite tight though, isn't it? It's quite tight. Okay, I'll leave that on. You can see me charging. Let's just get out first. So plugged in. That's green. Ensure the green light. Connect cable. Flashing yellow, yeah. Select the charging time. First pressing the play button. Charging time, I'll put the maximum. Charging time, is that hours? Okay, so the maximum is 12 hours. At most I'll need probably just 6. So we'll leave at 6. Charging time to start charging, so I'll press this to start charging. Start. Press it again to start, yes. Green. 4 minutes. About 6 kilowatts, 6.3 kilowatts. Okay, let's see what happens.
The EV chargers here all look nice and brand new. They are labelled Charge, but I'm not sure what company installed these chargers. I will compare these EV chargers here with EV chargers found in other public car parks in Hong Kong, because I think there is a noticeable difference between the different brands of these level 2 EV chargers. Stay tuned for my future videos. These 6 kilowatt EV chargers at public car parks are useful if you park for at least a few hours.
Navigate home.
At only 6 kilowatts, they are twice as fast as your home socket or granny charger, which provides only about 3 kilowatts of power. However, other level 2 EV chargers that I have used provide 10 or 11 kilowatts of power. So obviously 6 kilowatt EV chargers are not as quick as the more powerful 11 kilowatt EV chargers. Thank you for watching my experience in using the free EV chargers I found at the Tsing Yi Northeast car park. The only thing I had to pay was the hourly parking fee, which cost 117 Hong Kong dollars or 15 US dollars. Happy to hear your thoughts, so please comment below. Thanks again for watching and stay safe.